Hey guys, let's go. We get another part of our life.
May trolley pa dyan?
Sure. Baby, can you push it? Push it for more. Pull in.
Oh yeah.
Okay. This is Leo, one of the Pagpag boys, signing on.
And I'm Robert, signing on.
Ano nga bro?
Sign on ka dun.
Okay, this is deck 6, the Vinci dining room.
And I'm Mr. Joe, signing on.
Parang tanga lang.
Ito ang aming mga simple life. Simple life at sea.
Look at my able boy. The first thing we do, we get a table for 8 and put us on the floor so we can make it pagpag.
Don't forget to take off your shoes.
Why?
It's very hot. Sign on to.
This is garbage.
Ayun. Ano, pag-sign naman si Jasper.
Say something, Jasper.
Jasper signing on. This is Jasper signing on.
It's Jasper signing on.
One of the Pagpag boys.
Watch this trolley as I make a pool out of a dirty.
Full of shit. Ano ba to? Hindi. Ha? Okay. This is another part of our life. Or another part of our night. Uber guys. Uber guys. Uber guys. Say hello to the world. Say hello to YouTube. Okay, signing off.
Signing off. Wala ang kamay mo, hindi ako nakita.
Tama kamay ko. Signing off.
Signing off.
Para si Joel. Di ba, babawi na lang yun. Signing off.